Hi, how are you? Croup is an infectious disease of the larynx, trachea, and bronchial tubules, especially in young children. It affects the vocal cords and causes difficulty in respiration. Croup often begins as a typical cold. Anxiety, agitation, and barking cough aggravate the problem. Fever and hoarse voice are some of the warning signs of the ailment. These symptoms normally last for 3 to 5 days. But don't worry, problem solved! Here are some best remedies for croup cough. Steamy hot shower. Inhale the cool air. Stay upright. And honey. Steamy hot shower for croup cough treatment. Run a hot shower and shut the bathroom door. Allow the steam to develop. Sit with the child in this steam for some time, say 20 minutes, and make the child inhale the steamy air. It will seed her breathing pipe. Inhale the cool air for croup cough treatment. Open the windows of your child's room so that she gets some fresh air to inhale. If that too doesn't work, offer a car ride with the windows rolled down at night. A night walk can also do wonder. The moisture present in the air at night will stave off the labored breathing. Stay upright to treat croup cough. Sitting in an upright posture eases out the breathing process. As infants cannot sit themselves, parents should make efforts to hold them in an upright position to help them breathe. Honey to get rid of croup cough. Honey is an effective cough suppressant. Honey reduces the bedtime coughing and induces sleep. Give 1 teaspoon of honey to your child. However, due to the risk of botulism, it is not recommended to give honey to the child lesser than 1 year of age. Thanks for watching. If you like our video, let us know in the comment and subscribe us.